We're checking here a few cars at a stop sign, and unfortunately none of these drivers would pass. See, the silver car is completely overshot by a metre, so that would be an instant fail. But the problem is the white car's deviating to pass it without scratching it, obviously hitting it. The white car is overshooting as well, so the bumper is completely over the line, so that would be an immediate fail. Also, they shouldn't have moved until the big car finished turning from their left-hand side and cleared that part of the intersection. See the white car that's standing on the right side at the stop sign? They overshot the line as well, so in the test that would be considered as a fail as well, unfortunately. A lot of people would fail. It's just amazing how many people don't treat stop signs properly, and sometimes they even just drive through without stopping at all. So it's important to stop within the line without overshooting it, not even with your bumper. So we shouldn't get to the line with our wheels. See, this driver has even just gone through without stopping at all. And the silver car, again, their bumper is completely over the line. So we shouldn't get to the line with our wheels. That would mean that we are over the line with our body, with the car body, and that way we'd be risking to get hit by a car that's coming from our right-hand side. We can't see the stop line from the inside of the car, but with a lot of practice, I'm sure you're going to be able to judge it a lot better. Drive safely. We'll see you in the next video.